Hello everyone, thanks for stopping back to the channel today. Well, this is an inevitable project. This propane tank has it's seen its better days. It's 20 years old. I knew it was going to need some work when I bought it. So I thought, being a nice day today, I'd come out and just give it a little bit of time. So I started just scraping paint. This paint's been flaking off. I just took off all the big paint using these plastic razor blades, which is working pretty good actually. So I did that, got all the paint, all the loose paint off. It's worked good. I did try to clean it a little bit, but it would need a lot of cleaning. I'm just going to put some paint over it and we'll go from there. But underneath, it's in bad shape. Definitely needs attention. So we're going to spruce this up, get some paint on it, and I took off this fixture here. I'm going to buy a whole new regulator. I read somewhere or heard online these only last 10 years. I'm sure this is 20 years old, being the RV's 20 years old. So going to get a new regulator and a new added tank. I'll just get a new fixture there, and we'll just put that on. About 35 bucks, no big deal. So that way we have new hardware, and we'll try to make this look as good as good. As good as we can, I guess. As good as good, like I said. So that's where we're at. Let me get out the paint, start putting some paint on here, see what we can get in for the next half hour or so before it gets dark. Getting dark early. It's late October. Stay tuned. Alright, first coat is on. Does it look great? Nope. But the intention of this project is to stop the deterioration and save this a couple years. Inevitably, this tank's going to need changed. Trying to save myself some money for right now. So first coat is on. I suspect this is going to need about 3 coats. And I'm using just regular Rust-Oleum white, oil-based. So good stuff. We'll see what 3 coats does. I suspect it will look just fine after 3. But this was just a preliminary coat to get something done. Here's the underneath. There we go. All right. Another coat tomorrow. Here we are, finished product. 3 coats of paint later. Rust-Oleum white. Couldn't be happier. Looks great. It's sealed up. That's all I needed. New hardware. This is the added tank here. New horizontal regulator. I don't have it tightened down yet. Still working on that, but let's get a quick view of underneath. Big improvement. Let's remind ourselves what it used to look like. And this is what it looks like now. So couldn't be happier. Glad this project's done. Alright, well thanks for sticking around. Any questions or comments, please leave below. And we'll see you on the next one.